everyone, welcome to my channel. Miss Nene here, and today I am going to do a video try out these new paints that I got from Arteza. I purchased these a week ago. They're metallic colors, water-based, heavy body paints with a glossy finish, quick drying, non-toxic. Yeah, I saw these and I had to purchase them, and so here they are. Aztec gold, regular gold, silver, pearl marmalade, bronze, pearl deep brown, pearl white, and pearl space gray. I haven't decided which colors I'm going to use, but I will also leave a coupon code for 15% off to use at Arteza, so you can get these. So I'm going to pick a few colors, pick a canvas, and I'll be right back. See you in a minute. Hey everyone, welcome back. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to do this painting on an 11 by 14 canvas with a black background. My goal here is to do to have a lot of negative space on this painting, because I want these metallic colors that I picked for this painting to pop, to really show on this black background. And I think it would complement these metallic colors really, really well. Also, I want to let everyone know that in the description below, there will be links and coupon codes for Arteza for 15% off that you can use to purchase these paints or any other Arteza product, which is my go-to place when I order paints and canvases and things like that. So I hope you enjoy that as well. So don't forget to get that coupon code for 15% off. Also, I have links to other items that I purchase on the regular from different places, and mainly Arteza, like I said before. So I hope you enjoy that as well. So I'm gonna pop out of here. I'll pop back in near the end of the video to talk about the painting and how it turned out. So I'll see you soon. Okay, so here it is. This is the completed painting. Please, guys, let me know what you think about this painting in the comments below. I love to read your thoughts on this and these, how you thought these metallic colors from Arteza worked out on this black background. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. Please, everybody, please be safe out there. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.